Okay, we'll take our drive around the block. See how nasty and snowy it is. This idiot's gonna get out of my way. Last I understood was 14 inches that we got in 24 hours. I'm just gonna make a couple passes here, try to knock a little bit down, so at least be easier to get out. I've got to go on a call tonight, I'm sure. Coming up on the house, and here's our place. There's our house. And my pickup. Beautiful pickup. Why is this girl in shorts and a t-shirt? Crazy. Take a little stroll down the side street here. Doesn't look like it's hardly been driven on today. I hear the idiot neighbors.